Now, he was able to grow his network everywhere, even in countries without AIM Global. Now, last year, ladies and gentlemen, because of this system, for the record, under Ryan Tomado's group, there were over 100 Filipino overseas contract workers in Hong Kong. 100 of them went back to the Philippines for good because of Alliance in Motion Global. And most of them are earning 6 figures a month, about 100,000 pesos per month, or equivalent to how much? About, how much is that in peso? Probably about 2,000, 2,500, I'm sorry, not in peso, 2,000 to 2,500 US dollars per month. So they went home to the Philippines and for good. Again, what I'm saying is, Ryan did this without AIM World. So now that we have AIM World, ladies and gentlemen, it just means that what happened for the last 10 years to a lot of our top distributors, maybe if you really work hard and get serious in the business, what they did for the last 10 years, you guys can only do it for the next 3 to 5 years because of AIM World. Do you like that? Okay, next. Alright, we have the same Unilevel program in AIM World. 10% for your placement and direct, 5% from second level to the 10th level. It's basically the same. Again, I'll repeat. You get 10% for your first level, for the placement and direct, and from the second to the 10, you get 10%. But, in terms of the next program, alright, in terms of stair-step, again, it's the same. You get 10% as a silver executive, 20% as gold executive, 30% as global ambassador. But one very, very unique feature of AIM World is the stair-step commission. The stair-step reorder. So let me explain. Next. Okay? We know this already, global ambassador up to the 5th level. Next. Alright. AIM World Marketing Plan, take note, this is the new feature of AIM World. Only in AIM World, not in AIM Global. Alright? Now don't get confused. AIM World and AIM Global, in essence, are the same. The only difference is that when you buy your NPP, you will have a different website or a different DTC for your AIM World downlines. So your existing genealogy now will be mirrored to your AIM World genealogy. Do you get the point? So for example, you have like 1,000 downlines, all in all here in AIM Global. It will be mirrored to your DTC in AIM World. So it's basically the same. But the commission, when it comes to AIM World, has a different calculation. Why? Remember, if you have a downline in AIM World who qualifies for the global package, who buys the global package, you will get $25 direct referral instead. Unlike in AIM Global Pack, how much do you get? How much do you get if someone buys the Global Pack O or Global Pack A, Global Pack B? How much do you get in peso, direct referral? 500. In US dollars, that's 15 or probably 11. In AIM World, if someone buys the GP, how much do you get? 25.
Yes.
So it's different. Okay? Slightly different. The pairing is the same. You get 33 or 1.5 in Philippine peso. That's the only difference. Next is this one. We will have a stair-step points for AIM World. What does it mean by stair-step points? For every global pack of AIM World, we will be placing a stair-step points so that for every global pack of AIM World sold in your whole group, you will get a stair-step commission. Again, for every global pack sold in the whole of your group, you will get a stair-step commission. For example, balik muna Junyam sa isa. Okay? Someone buys from you. You are a global ambassador, for example. Global ambassador, someone in your downline, your direct, for example, buys the global pack, AIMWorld global pack. Okay? How much commission do you get normally? 30% minus 0 is 30%. We will place a points for the global pack. One global pack is equivalent to 2,000 points. 2,000 pesos points. In dollars, that's about 45 US dollars. So for every person that buys down the line, global pack, hindi kasama yung pairing dito. Every time na may bumibili, you being a global ambassador, you will get 15 US dollars for every global pack sold down the line. Until infinity yun. Until infinity lahat. Same words. Yeah. When you are still a silver executive, that's only 10%. 10% can distribute, or 10% minus 0 is 10. 10 of 45, that's $4.05. About $5. Pero malaki to pag global ambassador ka. Pag GA ka, kada may mo ibili down the line, meron kang $15 for every GP. Pag nag-triple maintenance ka, mas malaki pa. Next. Yung flow back points, pag nag-triple maintenance ka bilang GA, it's not only $15. It will increase to about $18 per GP. So, ano lumalabas dito? It was like we designed it in such a way that the GP is like product movement reorder. It's like a reorder already that for every global pack sold down the line, you get certain commission as well. Unlike, in global pack, AIM Global, there is no stair-step points. Remember, if someone buys a global pack down the line, you only get what? Either direct referral bonus or match sales bonus. This time in AIMWorld, you will also get stair-step commission if they buy the global pack of AIMWorld. Is that good or very good? Next. Triple maintenance, you get 19.5 US dollars. Next. AIMWorld marketing plan, the same. We have Philippine trip promo, US trip promo, Korea promo, and Hong Kong. Next. Of course, this was all designed by Dr. Ed. Now, don't worry because later this afternoon, during the CCEL, Doc Ed will still talk about these things in a more detailed manner. But for now, I guess all of you are hungry already. Because you look like, you look at me like I'm a fried chicken. So, what I want you to do, let's have a quick lunch, go back here,